Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add job alerts in your LinkedIn. So first, go over here to Home and then click on this search bar. Search for the term you want to add your alerts. So in my case it will be videographer. Press enter and now select jobs right here, and it will open up this menu. So basically right now it says videographer in Slovakia, 13 results. You can change the location right here, and then date posted, experience level, company, remote, easy apply, all of this customized to your liking. And then once you have it done, basically click right here to set alert. As you can see, your job alert was created. Here you can go over to manage alerts, and as you can see, top picks for you, videographer, done. Top job picks for you. Here you can see these two, this was recommended to me, and there are some other ones as well. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.